Standing on that street where raindrops fall, your breathing feels alive. Carrying a clean brush out as if hiding it, I paint the street transparently with chocolate-colored paint in that cafe when music flows with purple paint beneath the streetlights where raindrops are drawn. I wish everyone in the world were happy, like the landscape painted on the canvas. Greedy people with frowning faces, I wish they were happy like a painting. Standing on that street where raindrops fall, your breathing feels alive. Carrying a clean brush out as if high